What's up, guys? In this video, I break down the top 5 best metal detectors on the market this year based on price versus performance and situations they'll be used in. So whether you're a beginner looking for something easy to use or an experienced professional looking for the best of the best, I'll have an option for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. First up, the Garrett AT Pro, my pick for best metal detector for the money. The Garrett AT Pro is a high-quality, versatile metal detector for users that have higher than average skills in treasure hunting. This detector provides professional standard performance at a reasonable price and gives you the most for your money. The LCD display makes tuning settings and analyzing signals a lot easier. Among these controls are search mode selection, sensitivity, iron discrimination, ground balance, and a lot more. There's even a coin depth indicator that will let you know how many inches your target is below the surface. Different search modes give you more freedom and tuning for various locations and targets. Standard preset modes are good for both mid-level and seasoned detectorists for their quick, accurate tuning and feature a constant binary audio tone to indicate the target, or its absence. The standard modes are also great for learning to work with the AT Pro. The Pro modes use proportional audio and tone roll audio features, providing more audible tones and variations of sound for quicker interpretation of the target. Like the Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker 4, the AT Pro's waterproof search coil will let you extend your searches into shallow fresh water, but takes it a step further and is also impervious to salt water, offering you even more versatility. The standard search coil is a small, elliptic DD type that's versatile and maneuverable, and best suited for shallow targets. But there are several optional coils available for different conditions and situations, and come in different sizes and shapes to cover larger areas in less time, or to extend into small, tight areas that the standard coil wouldn't be able to access. If you're a mid to pro level detectorist who's looking for a metal detector with a lot of versatility in its control and operation, the Garrett AT Pro is a solid choice that delivers a lot of value. It's also compatible with several specialized search coils and can operate in salt water too. Next, the Fisher F22, my pick for best entry-level metal detector. The Fisher F22 features a new search coil design, upgraded detection modes, waterproof operation, and a reasonable price that packs some serious value into a small, lightweight package. At 2.3 pounds, the Fisher F22 is very lightweight, and its compact design makes it suitable for detectorists of all ages and skill levels. It uses VLF technology with continual wave single frequency, operating at 7.69 kHz, which is ideal for depth and sensitivity. You can expect coin-sized targets to be detected up to about 9 inches in depth, while larger targets can be found at 12 inches and deeper. Like the Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker 4, Garrett AT Pro, and Minelab Equinox 800, the F22 can further expand its search area to docks, lakes, and other freshwater areas because of its waterproof properties. The 9-inch search coil is triangularly shaped, making it easier to get into tight spots. When a target is detected, the depth indicator gives you an estimate of how far down the item is, using illuminated segments on the control box. The target ID indicators display an element symbol and conductivity of the target with the VDI scale to indicate the type of metal. Numbers on the positive side of the scale indicate the possibility of copper, silver, and relics, while mid-range and lower numbers represent items like jewelry, zinc coins, iron, foil, pull tabs, and nickels. You'll know when you're in the right spot when you hear audio tones, and the depth indicator reflects the smallest illumination segment. From that point, use the pinpointing feature to determine the exact location of your target. To power the F22, a pair of AA batteries will keep the search going for up to 30 hours. The Fisher F22 makes metal detecting fun and easy, and if you're new to metal detecting, this metal detector is a great choice. It's portable, so it's easy to take out in the field, and offers some useful features to help you get started. Next up, the XP Deus, my pick for best overall metal detector. The XP Deus is one of the most powerful and feature-packed expert-level metal detectors you can get right now. Its modular design and leading-edge technologies provide an extremely wide range of functions and seamless performance under almost any condition. This detector features wireless operation between its modular components. The 3-element design of search coil, control box, and headphones allow each module to function independently and communicate with one another. So you can use all 3 elements as usual, or just the search coil and headphones. And in this situation, the headphones assume the role of remote control, and can do everything the remote can do with separate controls and a small LCD display on the ear cup. The control box can also be detached from the body of the detector and worn on your belt or strapped to your arm. If you prefer to search without the headphones, the audio tones can still be heard through the built-in speaker on the remote control. Among the detectors we've looked at so far, the XP Deus's controls are the most complex and include buttons for discrimination, sensitivity, ground balance, and pinpoint mode, while the display has indicators for VDI, battery levels for the search coil and control box, program selection, ground mineralization index and strength, the current time, and more. The XP Deus is designed to prospect and detect with the accuracy of a fine-toothed comb. It uses 5 frequencies to pick up targets that include everything from ferrous and non-ferrous targets to smaller targets like gold nuggets, jewelry, coins, silver, copper, and more. The search coil is waterproof, but the remote is only weather resistant. If you want a top-quality metal detector that offers a flexible, modular design, the XP Deus can do it all and is the perfect choice for experienced users. Its multifaceted control system offers excellent prospecting power that's second to none. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving this video a like and tell us which product caught your eye in the comments below. Next up, the Minelab Equinox 800. The Minelab Equinox 800 is packed with cool tech and features. It excels at locating coins and relics and works efficiently in most terrain types. This metal detector is extremely lightweight and waterproof, so you can search in shallow, fresh water. Like the Garrett AT Pro, the Equinox 800 features an LCD display that indicates VDI information using large digits for easier visibility. The display will also let you change the mask pattern to ignore unwanted targets, change the operating frequency, mode, and search sensitivity on the go, activate pinpoint mode to know exactly where to dig, and many other basic and advanced features like noise reduction, ground balance, ketone, recovery speed, and much more. The built-in rechargeable battery will give you about 12 hours of operation. Park, field, beach, and gold detection modes are calibrated to provide the best settings for the terrain and lets you target specific metals, while each search mode allows for both conservative and aggressive settings. By the way, if you have a bigger budget, you can get all of these features and more in the XP Deus, covered earlier in the video. An 11-inch DD Smart Coil comes standard, but like the Garrett AT Pro, you can also use the optional 5 and 15-inch DD Smart Coils for better versatility. If you're searching in an area with a lot of trash metals, the Equinox 800's adjustable threshold will help you differentiate between trash and treasure, while the adjustable recovery speed lets you set the time it takes the detector to differentiate between targets, or to recover after a ferrous item has been detected. And in all, there are 8 recovery speeds. If you're more of an experienced detectorist who prefers to hunt for coins, the Minelab Equinox 800 was made for you and is a great choice. The more advanced features and capabilities will better match your level of experience, giving you a better overall experience. Last but not least, the Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker 4 Metal Detector, my pick for best budget metal detector. The Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker 4 is a budget-priced metal detector that's easy to use for adults and children alike who want to get into this interesting hobby. Most entry-level metal detectors just aren't equipped to deal with issues like ground mineralization or water. While they have no problem finding basic metal objects, they're not suited to find more deeply planted items that require higher sensitivity levels to unearth. The simple analog controls offer intuitive operation, so even if you've never used a metal detector before, the uncomplicated design will help you get up and running right away. Power it on, and the Tracker 4 gets right down to business. The analog meter gives you a rough indication of the target's depth and size, and adjustable settings include sensitivity, search mode, and discrimination. There's a built-in speaker and a 1/4-inch jack to let you use headphones. To power the unit, 2 9-volt batteries will keep you going for up to 30 hours. Select from 3 different modes that include an all-metal mode, which helps you find brass, iron, silver, gold, and more. The 8-inch concentric search coil is waterproof, so you can even search in shallow, fresh water, and it can differentiate between ground mineralization and actual metals. The tone mode uses low and high tones to differentiate between different metals and has automatic iron rejection, so if iron is found, a low tone will be generated, while other metals will be indicated by a high tone. Full discriminate mode is used to reject trash items like aluminum cans in areas where you suspect a high level of trash metals. If you're looking for an easy-to-use metal detector that even kids will be able to take to right away, the Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker 4 Metal Detector is a great choice. With multiple detection and ground mineralization modes and a waterproof design, you'll be ready to take on almost any condition. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give this video a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now. So if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.